Hey guys, welcome to Anywhere. This is Ashraf, and today I will show you the best platform to replace Asana. I will give you a box though of how to use Anywhere within your team to maximize your productivity while saving a lot of time, which is what the primary goal from Anywhere is. So you will learn how to increase your productivity. At the same time, you will save a lot of time while doing it. So when you sign up for Anywhere, you end up on this screen. This screen, as you can see here, will show you the overdue, the due today, due soon, and completed tasks. This is your week. So as you can see up, there is the start and the end of each week, and you can click on it to change it. So it shows you all the tasks assigned to you in 4 different categories. Now, next is dashboard. This is essentially monitoring place, a screen where you can monitor and track the overall health of your projects across your organization. It works based on concept of digits. Widgets can be created based on each and individual project, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. What you can do is you can create widget in 3 different projects, and then you can collect them together into this dashboard to see different aspects of your project from across the projects into one single page. So basically allowing you to track overall health and progress of multiple projects right from one place that you can do via dashboard. Now, as you can see, here it is categorized as low, high, and medium, and we have a big number showing each of these. This is called task priority window. Let's go to the boards. Boards is basically where you can add your tasks and you can create different boards. You can create different groups inside each of these boards, and you can add tasks to these groups. As you can see here, we have different boards, and this is the browse boards window. You can click here to create a new board, and once you click here you will find the create blank board or from existing board option. Now if you selected create a blank board, you can create an empty board, or you can use the templates below. There are more than 90 templates that you can use to add different boards depending on the type of work that you do. Here we have human resources, sales, marketing, time tracking, and a lot of templates are being added regularly. So as you can see, these templates will make your life a way much easier by simply clicking the template that matches your work. Let's start by creating a blank board. Here you can add a name and a description for your board, and you can choose between public, private, and shared. Now, public is making this board public to everyone inside your team, and private will make it specific to you and the ones you are sharing with, while shared will help you share this board link with your teammates and your visitors. So a shared board can be used to showcase the progress of a project to a client, for instance. So let's look at this board. Now you can hide the left window by clicking on the arrows, and here we have different tasks. Everything is customizable here. You can change the name, you can delete, you can expand, you can create a new group by clicking here. Once you create a new group, you can easily change the name of that group. Now this week and next week are 2 separated groups. You can add tasks to these, and you can click to edit or see more details, or you can even add subtasks by simply clicking here. Now once you are done, you can see how everything is customizable. You can change the name of each of these columns, and it can easily be done by simply clicking here, or you can move it around to change the columns order. You can even add a new column and make it customizable depending on what you want to add inside it by simply clicking the plus sign on the right. Now here you can start a timer to monitor the task that you are working on. Once you stop the work, you can stop the timer to know exactly how much time you spend doing each of these tasks. Now this where you can start a conversation with someone who's working on the same task with you. It has the conversation icon. Once you click on it, you will see the right window here. You can start typing messages, use the @ sign to tag someone from your team, and as you can see, everything is customizable and provides an overall experience to chat, to add subtasks, to share, and to track the time inside one platform. And this is how amazing this is. Now, as you can see, you can mark this or you can create decisions, which is basically decisions that are related to this specific task. You can turn a message to a decision, or you can unmark as decision. You can even select it as a blocker, and here you can use a blocker to keep track of reasons why this task is blocked or is in blocked state. Blocked state is basically a state that means this task is not functioning right now. You are not working on it and there is no progress expected, like there are not enough tools. Here you can add attachment from your PC, your Google Drive, your OneDrive, or Dropbox. Now you will find every attachment that you place inside this window, and as you can see, this is a fully customizable user interface, and this is what makes it great. Here you can change the view to different views like calendar view, file view, project dashboard, or any other view that you feel suitable for your project or your board. Now I usually go with table view, but depending on the project you might need to use other views as well. Now again, this is the button to start a conversation on this specific task. You can change the view from the table view, and you can choose file view, project dashboard. You will see everything like a project. As you can see, it will show you the task status, task priority, and other information. Now you can add new widget to the project dashboard, and this new widget will help you understand more things about this specific board. Now the project dashboard will show you an overall of the project progress. If you went back to the dashboard on the left, you will find more options. Again, here on the right, on the top right, we have the automation feature. The automation feature is a very nice feature that will help you receive notifications when something happens, like a task is added or a task is marked as finished. You can do anything. So when an action happens, you can do another thing or another action, like a notification, moving a task to a group, or anything like that. I use it a lot, and it's a very nice feature because I like to get notified by email whenever a task is marked as done, and I like to get SMS or email notifications whenever someone updates something on a specific task. Again, the automation is a very important feature. It will save you a lot of time, and there are already available automations that you can duplicate and use. So when someone assigns you a task or something, you can easily use this automation, and it uses Zapier. Now, lastly, you can see the integrations here. You can integrate with Google Drive, OneDrive, Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar, and Slack, which are basically tools that you can use to store files or to share files, to share dates, or to communicate with your team using Slack. And these are the integrations that you can use. Now we have the administration section, in which you can define roles, users, you change the language, change the organization unit of your team. The roles is basically where you can change the role or create a new user. You can change the language from here by choosing your own language. As you can see, there is a lot of languages. You can change the text according to your language if you don't like it. Now you can go to the audit logs where you can see everything happened on your platform, what actions happened, who did them, and what is the affected, the duration of each action. You can even go to the settings to change the time zone, the appearance, the user management section where you can allow users to do certain things. And there is also security features to prevent someone from hacking. There is also an email SMTP feature that will help you identify the SMTP server for your email address. And you can even use your own custom domain to configure anywhere platform. Now, as you can see, all of these are features that you can customize in this platform. Now, if you click on the top right corner, you will see your own name and account admin, and you will see the manage linked accounts. You can even change your password, define the number of login attempts, and other features as well. Now here you can use the search feature to add, select a user, and you can use the chat feature to communicate. And here we have the notification feature. Now, last but not least, we have the help section where you can find useful articles about different things. So before you ask any question, you can search for an article that might cover your question. Now, again, this is where you'll find a lot of resources and articles to get started, and you can reach out to the support via chat, and they are very responsive. I usually send a message and they respond within the 5 to 10 minutes range. You can even see the roadmap where you can see features that are completed, in progress, planned, in review, or pending. Again, this is the platform that I was looking for to replace my tasks management, and I really recommend it to everyone who's looking for an all-in-one platform that can help him get the work done. Thanks for watching this video. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team, and you can always find a link in the description to join this platform.